big bet. The models
All right,
have
everybody.
not
So,
yet.
good morning.
Sometimes they switch a little bit more.
I'm on the highway right now on the interstate, headed to Miramar, Florida. Alright, so everyone made it here, and as you can see, beautiful place, beautiful place. And gonna be showing you how to detail the inside of a car, real life car. Not made for YouTube, not a canned video, not pre-set up. This is real life. So let me show you here. It's bad. This is a Subaru. Watch me come around over here. Now we can really see. All right, so now I'm gonna get straight into it. First things first, let me get everything set up, then I'm gonna come right back to you. Get this stuff out of here. Gotta get everything out of here. And we're gonna set it right over here. That's where we're going to set it. So I'm going to take everything out. It's the first step. It's a little bit of a process, but that's what I'm about to do. So I'm going to pick everything up, make sure everything's straight, and then from there, I'm good to go. To the next step. Here we go. Okay, so now that everything is out, the next step is two things. So first thing is that you can take the mats out if you want, but if you have a bunch of debris on top of the mats, if you don't want to sling it all over your seats and stuff, try to vacuum the loose debris off the mats first and then take them out. So that way you're not slinging it all over the place and making a bigger mess. So let the vacuum pick it up first, then you pick it up. Then you could always knock it out and knock out your mats and then vacuum them outside the vehicle. So looking here, you can see this dirt that's in here and whatnot. Okay, I'm gonna come around, coming all the way around. I'm not picking up that toothpick right now. I'll pick that up with the vacuum. Let me go ahead and get this out of there. Cool little feature. Let's see here. And you could see the stuff that is in here. It's pretty bad. This is dirty. Some of this is ash. I have just put some APC, some all-purpose cleaner. If you use any kind of APC, it's okay. Just make sure that it's safe for all surfaces. Okay, so real quick. All right, I'm gonna show you something. This is a trick. Now, if you have sand on the inside, if you're just doing this, so you're gonna get out most of it. But, are you ready? Here we go. Notice I'm not going to get it on carbon. I'm just going to use it right here. I'm going to get a little bit out of here. Bring it out. I'm just going to do this. Throw that in the bucket. Vacuum that right up. Repeat. That's any plastics like this that is not close to electronics. Then you can see it clean. Then we can just dress it. So we're going to come into here. Vacuum that up. You can wipe these seats down with the baby shampoo. But make sure it's damp. Make sure you wring it out real good. And water. Not gonna hurt anything. Just wipe it down. Water does not damage leather. I repeat, water does not damage leather. When you're just talking about a little bit like this, it's not going to damage it. Now, of course, if you take a 5-gallon bucket and you dump it on it, of course you're going to ruin it. But just this little bit right here on a damp rag, it's not going to hurt it. So, what you can do after this is go over all your leather with some leather conditioner. So, let's keep moving. So what we're going to do to loosen up surface dirt, and take that rag and wring it out really, really good just until it's just damp. What I'm going to do, I'm going to fold it. Just going to wipe the surface just enough to break the surface tension of the debris. And then vacuum it right up. It's just enough for it to be damp. I'll show you here. Here, I'm not going to fight it. You get frustrated. Don't do that. You won't spend all day doing this. Just going to loosen it up. Over it. Voila. most vehicles. Turn that off. It does work for most vehicles. Does it work for all? No, but it's great on vehicles like a Subaru. Works great for Chevrolet, Fords, Lexus, Rover, stuff like that. Vehicles like that works great for. Now, once you get into like the kind of carpet that's very, very fuzzy, and once the pile's messed up on it from people just raking it, trying to get the debris out instead of using the method that I just showed, then you're going to run into issues. And for instance, vehicles like Toyotas have carpet that is very, very delicate, and you got to be careful with that. You have to be careful with a Subaru too, with any carpet, but when it comes to Toyotas, kind of run across that issue of them becoming very, very frayed and susceptible to just grabbing everything and very, very hard to clean. So, all right, next step, going to move on to dressing everything. All right, so just got finished with car number 1, and this is that Subaru. So I'm going to show you what the inside looks like. Here we got some bad weather coming. Hurricane is on its way. So this is the inside now. Out here in the sunshine, you can see it turned out beautiful. Turned out gorgeous. It's like a fresh, new, clean car. It gives you that feeling. It's a good feeling all the way around. You know, when you hop in, you feel great. It's like, yeah. Feel like you're ready to take on the world. So yeah, there we go.